Alright, who's getting on first?
You are. You on first.
Yeah. Oh, this is so gonna hurt. What'd it say?
I don't know, I have to read it though.
Oh, my vagina.
Everyone had to go home.
Tell him to come. Dude, this is... Nicolette. Oh! Wait. Hi. Dude, Nicolette, stop farting. Come on, let's get our boogie on. Wait, now I have to start it over. Trying to kill me?
Then I'll floss right there.
Ew! I gotta stop it. We gotta start over. You're still on your phone. No, get off first. It's gonna go right up my vagina.
You hold it down for 2
No way! Nicolette, get off.
You ready?
All right, go all the way down. Go down.
Is that good?
No, go up. Go up, you go up.
Oh.
No, how am I supposed to get down? Go down. This is gonna hurt. Oh, my vagina. My poor little pussy. We got to watch that. Say hi, Nicolette.
So